welcome to my channel. My name is Christina and this is Christina's Crafts. I have a DIY in store for you today and I can't wait to get to it. So I'm already in my craft room, so let's go. Hi everybody, welcome. Alright, so I have a Christmas DIY today. I have a couple things. I got this sign from Dollar Tree, and this I got from Dollar Tree also. I already took the little piece on here that it came with. And then this little sign I think I got a year or two ago from Walmart. It was on clearance when I got it. So these are some of the main things that I'm going to be using for this DIY. I need to attach my sign to this little window here. So I am going to use probably E6000. I know I need to get a better glue. I'm going to put some E6000 on here and some hot glue to get it attached. So I'm going to put it, I think, right about there. So let me get some of this out here. Hopefully my hot glue gun is heated up. Found a lot of times hot glue does not hold the best. I had a lot of crafts that I took out of my bin for numerous holidays, and the hot glue did not hold. I mean, not a huge deal though, because then I just got my hot glue gun out and put it on there, but I think that's gonna be way better, a little bit of E6000. Okay, so now that that is attached, this is actually going to go in my box here. So I'm a little worried about that staying. Yeah, so I'm just using the back side of this sign to put this in here. And I'm going to put it, I think, right in the middle. So for right now, I'm just going to take some, well, you know what? I'm going to put some E6000 on here too. Because this is all plastic, so I don't think it's going to hold the best otherwise. I'll put some of that on there, and then I'm going to put some hot glue on the bottom of my sign here. And stick that right there. Okay, and then just to make sure that I have a decent hold, I'm going to take some of these tumbling tower blocks and make sure it's secure in there. I'm just going to use some hot glue for that. And then it should stay pretty good. I'm hoping that this is all going to be covered up so you won't see these in here. But I think that should be pretty good. That should hold pretty decent. Okay, so the next step is to put my Christmas trees on, which I think is looking pretty good right now. So I am just going to hot glue all my Christmas trees down. I have them right in the spots where I want them. So I'm just going to go one by one. It took me a while to make sure all the trees were straight. So all these trees that I got were all from Dollar Tree. As you can see, the wrappings. So I'm just going to go one by one and get all of them secure. Okay, the next step is I'm going to put some lights on here. So I'm going to flip this around, and I have my battery pack. I want to make sure I put the screw part out so that I can access the battery pack. Sorry, my phone just went off. Distracted. Okay, so I'm going to put some E6000 on here. Oh, you know what? And some hot glue, but my hot glue gun's not warmed up. Hold on a second. Okay, my hot glue gun is heated up. I'm going to turn this back around and get my battery pack attached. Just gonna stick it right on there. Okay, now that that's on there, what I was going to do is I was going to, on my trees, I was gonna put the lights down in the bottom, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to wrap them around the two end trees here. So I'm gonna turn my lights on so I can see, and I'm just gonna start from the bottom here and wrap my lights around. And then once I have that on, then I'm gonna just run, well actually I'm gonna have to redo this because I'm gonna run the lights down back here and then wrap it around the other tree. And that does not look good right there. So I'm not gonna make you suffer through getting these lights on perfect. So I am just going to do this off camera. Lights on my tree. I think it looks pretty good. Then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take some pillow fluff that I have, and that's going to go all in the bottom of my tray here. Now this is going to be a little bit difficult because of the trees, and I'm probably going to have to find more of this because I don't think I'm going to have enough, but I'm just going to go ahead and fill all of this in the bottom so you don't see my little mess down here. So this is probably going to take me a little bit to get this all filled in and unstuck from the trees. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera so you don't have to watch me. Okay, now I am going to put a bow on my sign. I want to cover up that hole in my sign that I have here, and I made the bow already. So I'm going to attach it right here to cover up that hole. Try to straighten up my bow a little bit. Okay, and then since I don't want it to cover the sign, I'm gonna tack it up. All right, I'm gonna have to turn it a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna tack the ribbon up here, a little bend in it. I'm gonna try to do both sides equally, but we'll see how that goes. And then I'm just going to, actually, well, do I want to just let it down? Actually, no, I'm trying to decide what, no, you know what? I'm going to just kind of tuck it like this and kind of frame the picture with it. Get my glue strings off of there. I think I'm going to have to cut this a little bit shorter. It was kind of a pain putting all that snow in there with the I don't know, pipe cleaner trees or whatever you want to call them. I think I'm going to go ahead and just cut this a little bit. Yeah, that looks pretty good right there. Put a little hot glue in there. And see if I can get that one the same length. I gotta get some better glue sticks. A little shorter. Okay, and then just bump that one up there. That looks pretty good. I like that. I don't know if I was gonna like it, but I think it looks pretty good. Do just one more thing. I have some of this faux snow that's kind of sparkly, and I'm just gonna sprinkle some of that in there just to give it a little bit of a more snow-like look. And I think that's gonna be all for this one. I don't think I'm gonna put anything else on it. Thought about doing something with the bottom tray, but actually I think it looks fine just the way it is. I kind of little bit wish maybe I would have tried to paint it white, but with this plastic, it just would have been a pain to do that. Yeah, this actually, I think it turned out better than I thought it was going to turn out. I'm actually quite pleased with it. You'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. Alright, I think that's going to be it. Alright, well, I just want to say thank you for coming along with me on my little crafting journey. I really hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. I would really like it if you shared the video and liked it, and subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and have a great night. Thanks. Bye.